recognize our outstanding educators and their commitment and dedication to making sure our students get a great education with the Milken Educator Award, because we recognize so many outstanding athletes, college teams, businesses, but sometimes we forget the people that really are making a difference in our society, and that is our educators.
Without that personalized touch, that expertise from individual teachers, we don't have as strong and competitive education that really this profession provides.
DEBREON Davis, your principal.
When they started speaking about specifically honoring a person, my thought was, I really hope that teacher is here today. When they called my name, it was literal shock, and it still is just like, what?
This is about you guys. This is about you students who you know that I love you and I care about you, and I'm here for you every single day. It's about the teachers that are up surrounding you and the people that have come before me that have worked so hard to empower you and educate you at this school, our academic success that we have achieved. You guys are my passion, and this is a complete surprise, and I'm so very thankful and grateful.
I want to always be impacting education, whether that's in the classroom or on the administrative level. And I'm so thankful for the Milken Educator Award, because I really feel like it pushed me to go beyond what I thought I was capable of.
While I was teaching, it was important for me to have mentors above me who were principals, and I found just this natural leadership within myself of I like to organize things, I like to plan things, and see the vision, the long-term vision for things and how we can constantly be improving things for our students.
My final thought to all the students here today is that in the not-too-distant future, each one of you will have to decide what you want to do with your life, what kind of contribution you want to make to our society. And I only ask you to consider the teaching profession, consider the adventure of teaching. We need more talented young people to be able to go into the teaching profession.